Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn how to enable TLS 1.3 for IPsec VPN over TCP when UDP is blocked. TLS 1.3 is now supported for VPN negotiation over TCP. With this option, IKE and ESP traffic are encapsulated within TLS, while the tunneling protocol and IKE key exchange remain unchanged. In this video, we will demonstrate how to enable this feature, configure a tunnel, and verify its behavior. The configuration begins with the head office site. We will navigate to VPN, then select VPN tunnels. Open the Settings tab and enable Allow VPN Negotiation over TCP. Then, let's enable Use TLS. These options allow the VPN to operate over TCP and encapsulate IKE and ESP traffic within TLS 1.3. Let's start by creating a new VPN tunnel for Vancouver head office. Navigate to VPN and choose VPN Wizard. Here, we will add the tunnel name and select Site-to-Site template. After clicking Begin, we are taken to the next page where we will add a pre-shared key and then select Auto for the transport option. On the next page, select Behind NAT or Dynamic for remote site device and enter the remote site subnets. On the last page, select the outgoing interface that binds to tunnel and the local interface and subnet. With the head office configured, the next step is to define the remote site. Let's save the configuration. We will now configure a Toronto site and connect it to the Vancouver head office. First, let's ensure TCP and TLS protocols are enabled in the settings page under VPN tunnels. So now we'll create a new VPN tunnel for Toronto site and a peer to Vancouver head office. As before, after entering the tunnel name, add a pre-shared key and select Auto as the transport protocol. Complete the remaining wizard steps by configuring the remote gateway, followed by the local interface and subnet that will be used to access the Vancouver head office. After completing the configuration, we will save it, and then we'll repeat the same configuration steps to create a Calgary site without enabling TLS. With both ends configured, connectivity can now be verified from a PC behind Toronto. Let's initiate traffic to the Vancouver resources. The tunnel is established successfully, confirming baseline connectivity. To verify the transport protocol, run the following IKE VPN diagnostic command. Diagnose VPN, IKE gateway list. We can see here that the transport protocol for Toronto is TLS. While Calgary is still using UDP, we are unable to establish the tunnel. To demonstrate the advantage of TLS over TCP, we will simulate a network where the ISP blocks UDP traffic. Currently, TLS is not enabled on the Calgary side, so the tunnel can't be established. So let's go ahead and enable TLS. Let's run the same diagnose command again. And now, the tunnel successfully comes up using TLS. This concludes our video where we have seen how to enable TLS 1.3 for IPsec VPN over TCP in the head office or remote office topology where an ISP may block UDP. Thank you for watching.